Čas je za nogomet. Sliko smo v Lendavi, kjer se bo kmalu začela tekma 30. kroga prve slovenske nogometne lige Telemach. V športnem parku Lendava se bosta pomerili ekipi domače Nafte in pa Olimpije. Jasno, za ene in druge ta obračun zelo pomemben. V obeh taborih pa imajo precej zdravstvenih težav in videli bomo, kdo bo danes bolj uspešno krmaril med čermi. Lendavčani ciljajo na to, da bi se danes zavihteli nazaj na 9. mesto z tega položaja, torej izrinili Domžalčane in jih pahnili nazaj v rdečo cono. Nogometaši Olimpije pa bi se lahko od Maribora oddaljili za kar 16 točk. Je pa na tej točki potrebno izpostaviti tudi to, da so vijolice zaenkrat oddale zgolj 7 točk manj od Olimpije, tako da niti slučajno še zadeve niso odločene v slovenskem prvenstvu. Zmaji so seveda v zadnjem 29. krogu remizirali s Koprom. Maj Mittendorfer je bil osrednja figura tega obračuna v Stožicah. Na levo do Bultama. Bultam zdaj lepo po levi strani, reda Bultam v prodoru, Pinto do strela. To, da Diogo Pinto je zgrešil in tako zamudil priložnost, da bi prvič po septembru meril polno. Seveda pa upamo, da bo po tej baladi prišlo tudi nekaj rock'n'rolla. No, tu je zdaj Lasicka spred vrata, Mauricio pa na mestu. Ena izmed boljših akcij na tej tekmi. Marcel Ratnik, tole je dobra podaja, Brest je padel, 11 metrovka za Olimpijo. Sijajna podaja Marcela Ratnika prek celega igrišča, no in zdaj je Marko Brest razpihal meglo neodločnosti pri zmajih, priigral je najstrožjo kazen, Žan Mauricio ugovarja, ampak tu mislim, da je popolnoma jasno, da je stopil v pot gibanja Marka Bresta. Ali lahko Mauricio popravi napako, reda Bultam in gol. Olimpija vodi z 1-0, 56. minuta, vendarle so zdaj odprli zelo organizirano obrambo varovanci Viktorja Sančeza, ki so zdaj pri 51 doseženih zadetkih v sezoni in imajo najučinkovitejši napad med elito. Pa je španski strokovnjak večkrat na udaru kritik, da igra preveč pragmatično ter premalo napadalno. Reda Bultam pa do 4. zadetka v letošnji sezoni. 27-letni Nizozemec zdaj nekako preganja sume na veliko presenečenje. Žan Mauricio je bil svetlobno leto oddaljen od obrambe, pa zdaj Kljun. Tom Kljun gre naprej. No, tole je zdaj zanimiv napad Nafte. Dragan Brkić, namestil se je za strel, to da zgrešil. Diogo Pinto pa bo podal s kota. Morda je Diogo Pinto ostal še marsikaj dolžan. Kratka kombinacija, reda Bultam. Pinto, v priložnost za Olimpijo, Agba do strela. Že tretji poizkus Nigerica danes, ampak tudi v tem primeru pokril bo prostor ob bližnji vratnici Ivan Durdov, predložek Lendavčanov, priložnost za Nafto, videl še Klavi, ampak napaka in gol! Gol za Nafto, 86. minuta. Viktor Sančez je tik pred prekinitvijo storil zamenjavo, no in ni se dobro postarala ta poteza. Kakšna napaka Matevža Vidovška, Nafta pa je prišla do izenačenja. Morda se zdaj zapleta prvenstvo. Mariborčani so prav gotovo poiskali ogromno zadovoljstva v tej akciji. Lendavčani se torej veselijo zadetka. Aleks Pihler je bil očitno najspretnejši pred vrati Matevža Vidovška. Poglejmo še enkrat ta kaos, ki je nastal. Kaj je tu storil Matevž Vidovšek? Duška je dal svoji nerodnosti, zataval je v megli, Dragan Brkić pa igralec, ki je polizal nogometno smetano, če je žoga že bila čez golovo črto. Neposredno nekako do Durdova, brez da se umešajo zvezni igralci. No in zdaj prekršek v korist Olimpije, še eno rumeno kazen bomo videli. No, zdaj se mu tudi rumeni kartoni ne bodo brisali.
Diogo, you pushed, you scored for the first goal, but then couldn't hold it, and you're leaving Lendava with only a point. Are you taking the point in this congested rhythm of games, or are you still disappointed?
Yeah, we knew it's going to be a hard game. It's difficult to do what we did to get advantage here. For an unlucky play, we get the goal. It's hard for us to get only this point, because I know this team deserves the 3 points.
Yeah, I think if we look at the game for 85 minutes, you were the better team. You not only scored, you created more chances. What was that small thing that was missing to maybe once you scored the first goal to score the second one and the game would be over?
We were almost perfect until the last third. I think in the last third we need to be a little bit more smart on the last pass, a little bit more accurate, but the rest we did an amazing game, but we are very unlucky to get only a draw here.
But in the end, I guess you can say it's one game closer to your goal and 1 point closer as well.
Yeah, 1 point is better than 0, so. But we really wanted the 3 points. We are sad, but we take the point, of course.
Thank you and best of luck. Dragan, čestitke najprej za vaš gol in pa za, lahko rečeva, veliko in pomembno točko proti Olimpiji. Če lahko za začetek morda zaupate, ste vi strelec ali je morda že žoga prej prečkala po strelu Aleksa?
Ako ću biti iskren, stvarno nisam ja skroz siguran, ali na kraju krajeva nije ni bitno. Bitno je samo da je gol, da je lopta prišla preko mriže i da je gol. Sad ko je da gol, ja ne znam, ali bitno da smo zabili gol i da smo uspjeli jedan bod ostaviti ovdje u Lendavi protiv jako dobrog protivnika.
Praktično 85 minut ste trpeli na zelenici, ni bilo priložnosti, ampak na koncu ena prekinitev dovolj, ki vam je prinesla to veliko točko, ki je lahko v luči boja za obstanek še kako pomembna.
Je, kako da ne, igrali smo danas protiv skoro najboljeg protivnika iz Lige, nije lako protiv Olimpije. Opstati igra jako dobar i kvalitetan nogomet, ali mislim da nam se trud isplatija i da, eto, da nam se trud isplatija i da smo, drago mi da smo uspjeli iskoristiti ovu jednu šansu koju smo imali.
Še za konec, po težkem porazu proti Radomljam, da se tako poberete proti tako kakovostni ekipi kot je Olimpija, je verjetno to tudi dokaz karakterja ekipe.
Je, kako da ne, stvarno je bio težak poraz. Nadali smo se da ćemo odnijeti 3 boda vam u Lendavu. Nažalost je nam uspjelo, ali mislim da smo pokazali karakter danas i da smo se vratili jako i pokušajemo se vratiti sad još jače i opstati u Ligi, ostati u Ligi.
Hvala in svo srečo pri tem.
Hvala vama. Hvala.
Amazing game for you guys. 85 minutes Olimpija was putting you under immense pressure. You defended well. You only kept the 1 goal. And then you were awarded in the end. How proud are you of your team, considering what happened during the week in Domžale?
Yes, look, we brought out the maximum of this game. I think I'm really happy, especially about the reaction after the loss against Radomia. It was the most important to show a good reaction after the Radomia game. As I told you before the game, I think it's not the real face of the team, what we showed on Tuesday. A lot of aspects affected on this result, and right now, after the rest days, now we are okay. Tojčić, Marinic came back. It was also a key moment that they can step in the game in the last 20 minutes. If we continue like this, we don't have to worry.
Was it from the beginning the game plan, because Olimpija had a lot of the ball, but not so many chances? You kept them very low at chances. There were some shots, but they were not dangerous. So what was maybe the difference that had you push in the end to score the goal, because you yourselves didn't create many chances as well?
Yes, but our main goal was to keep Olimpija in a low speed, in a low tempo. I think we did it. At the halftime we talked about it, that try to slow down the game more and more. And we planned that Tojčić and Marinic will came in around the 70th minute. and then we can speed up a little bit. We will have more danger in the set pieces because of, especially because of Tojcic, and I'm really happy that it worked. But of course, Olimpija is a very good team. I would like to congratulate them also to the performance. They are the main candidate of the championship, and I think they will do it. But today it was the day when we can keep at home 1 point.
We talk about a lot of how many troubles you have with injuries, and now new problems because of the red card that will also affect future games. How are you looking at this, that it's pretty unlucky sometimes for your team that you can never be complete, at least for one game?
No, I think it's normal. At that part of the season, you have to calculate with this kind of situations. I think Choka also played a very good game. It was an unlucky situation. Honestly, I didn't feel that it was a yellow card. It was only a foul. Maybe the referee should think about it, especially in a situation when a player like Choka has a yellow card before he gives him the second one. Also, Maurizio collected the fourth yellow card, so he will be on the stand against Maribor. But we calculated with it. Now it's a good chance for us on Wednesday, because we have one game less than Domžale, and I hope this result keeps us in the 9th position. And we are preparing on Maribor that we also want to keep points at home against them.
And we wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
In the end, I'm assuming you're not satisfied with the result because you controlled the game for more than 80 minutes. You were leading 1-0. You had chances as well to increase the lead, but then a set piece after which you conceded, and you're leaving today with only a point. I know it is a point closer to the championship, but how did you see the game?
No, for us is disappointed because we did a game to win clearly, but this is football. If you don't score the second, the third and the fourth that we clear very clear chances, then you have to pay attention to the small details. And also we were quite good in the way that the team was controlling the transitions and defending the set pieces. The goal is an accident. We cannot say it also is a set piece. It's very lucky from our opponent to take this goal with the very little chances that they create during the whole game. But this is football. Happens sometimes, this kind of games. I remember as a player, Deportivo La Coruña winning one time away without shooting against the opponent with a non-goal. That is more or less what happened today. This is football. So for us now, time to rest this week to prepare next game, and let's see how we are.
Vidosek has been this season an amazing goalkeeper, probably the best goalkeeper in the league. Did you tell him anything in the dressing room because of the mistake?
We said him. Now is tough for all of us, because in our head there is only one thing, that is to win, and when we don't get it, it's like the last weekend when we draw home against Koper. The bad emotional moment was for all, but we are all with Vida. We know that he saved us many times. He's a great goalkeeper, and that happened. When happen always, goalkeepers, they have this special position that when they make some mistakes, there are big highlights. That doesn't happen when the players on the pitch, on the position I was playing on the pitch, making many mistakes, bigger than this, but never are in the highlights because you don't have the impact like this. So for us, we trust him, we are with him, and we will continue strong.
And I guess the most important thing for your team was in this hectic schedule to survive this game without any new injuries. Is everything looking good so far, as you know?
Oh yes, no injuries. This is good for us, of course. In this schedule that we are playing in a very little time to prepare one game to the other in a continuous way, I said the other day. So for us, it's good. And nobody can explain me that I can understand why we couldn't play tomorrow and we have to play today. All the teams, they are playing tomorrow and we play today. This is something that for me has no explanation in a league that has to be fair with all the teams.
We wish you the best of luck during this
Thank you.
season.